What will happen when Andromeda and the Milky Way collide? Sometimes galaxies get too close and smash into each other. Our Milky Way galaxy will someday bump into Andromeda, our closest galactic neighbor. The Andromeda-Milky Way collision is a galactic collision predicted to occur in about 4.5 billion years between the two largest galaxies. But don't worry. It won't happen for about 5 billion years. But even if it happened tomorrow, you might not notice. Galaxies are so big and spread out at the ends that even though galaxies bump into each other, the planets and solar systems often don't get close to colliding. Basically, galaxies are the fundamental units of structure in the universe where stars form. Theory currently holds that all galaxies are confined by the gravity of the dark matter halos that permeate and surround them, but there is recent evidence that some galaxies may be dark matter-free. It is also tempting to say that galaxies are where most of the ordinary matter in the universe resides, but recent X-ray observations have shown that there is actually more matter in the diffuse intergalactic gas than in the galaxies themselves.